Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junkie Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And here behind me, I have a brand new Mazda CX-5. I'm going to show you guys some cool tips and tricks that us sales guys forget to share with you guys. So when life goes on, you won't be like a year later, like, I didn't know I have it. So you guys be fully in the know to enjoy it that much more. Let's get going. All right, so just like you guys, I love summertime. It's a great time to be outdoors. But the problem is what I hate about summer the most is running out to a hot, mucky car. Oh, it drives me crazy. But wouldn't it be nice though if there's a way that you can use your key fob right here to roll down the windows in advance? So when you get into the vehicle, all that hot, mucky, steamy air is already out, so you're not instantly sweating, a little more comfortable. You can, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. All right, so here we are right outside the Mazda CX-5. Simply have the key fob with you here, okay? So you're gonna be selected one button 4 times, and that's gonna be the unlock button. On the 4th time, you just hold it down. So let's show you right now. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. The longer you hold on to it, the further down your windows will go. So that's nice. You cannot accidentally just do a double tap and crack your windows and let nature get into the vehicle. You have to purposely do it 4 times and hold it down, and then it will come down as you guys see from that point. So there we go. Your hot summer days just got a little more enjoyable when you get into the vehicle. All right, so I'm very good at second guessing myself all the time, okay? It would be nice to take one less thing off of that list so I never have to second guess. So for example, let's say if I'm out there running some errands, I got supplies in the vehicle, okay? So I'm going at my second stop, I get out of the vehicle, I shut the door, car's off, I got my key with me, I've run all the way into the place, and all of a sudden it dawned on me. Did I lock my car doors? Did I not? Now I have to get my key fob here, run out there and hit the lock button. It's just a huge inconvenience. But wouldn't it be nice though when you get away from the vehicle so far as you're going to do your shopping, your errands, you don't have to second guess yourself? Well, you can. Let me show you how to make sure the car's all locked when you walk away. I'm assuming you guys already know about the smart entry system. So for example, let's just talk about it. The car's all locked up. You have the key fob in your purse, your pocket, your jacket. You walk up, you hit this button and it locks the doors for you. So that's kind of nice. Then you keep the key in your pocket, your purse, your jacket. You just hit that button and it locks all the doors from that point. So no one can get in, right? So just in case you don't have the walkaway auto lock feature enabled. But did you guys know, let's say we unlock everything. We're gonna pull up the hatch. What this button is. That's the same button as you got on your door right there. So let's see if I shut this bad boy, everyone's out of the vehicle. This is the last place I'm at, right? I'm just hit the unlock button. I'm gonna hit this button right down there. Lights just flash, now all of your doors are locked. I don't have to take the key fob out or anything. How cool is that? All right, so did you guys know that all the Mazda CX-5s come standard with rain sensing wipers? So that's great. So let's imagine you're out there, you're driving around, you have them set on. It starts raining pretty darn quick, right? Like, surprise, rain, look at that, here they go. But the problem could be is, hey Chris, how do I turn these on or off when I go through the car wash, right? Because you don't want those to be going on when you go through the wash. I'm gonna show you how to disable those right now so you guys be in the know. All right, so here we are right inside the vehicle now. We got it on and running. If you guys guessed it, we'll come over to the wiper stick. You'll see you got a couple options written down right up there. So you can have mist, off, auto, low, and high. So right now it's set to auto. How I know that is because let's say, for example, if I pull it all the way up, it's gonna wipe once, right? So it's set to off right now. If I take it down one notch, now it's set to auto. So now every time it rains, water gets in the windshield, it's gonna wipe it. If I wanna turn it off, I just tap up once or all the way up. So now you know with confidence, it is fully off. There we go. All right, so there's nothing worse than not knowing that your car battery's dead or maybe your key fob battery's dead, all right? So you go out there to your vehicle and you're actually trying to hit the unlock button, but it's not registering because one of those two options happened. But now the problem is though, you got supplies in your vehicle and you can't get them out because the car won't unlock. So the big question is, Chris, how do I get into my Mazda CX-5? There's a cool way. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. All right, so first step, you want to get your Mazda key fob, all right? Now you see on the top of your key fob, there's gonna be a little lever right here. Now the second thing you want to be aware of, you want to know what side you need to be pushing the cover off. So you got one with the emblem, you want to go to the blank side, all right? So first step, move that lever all the way over, go to the blank side, push up. From there, if I can get my nail underneath it and not block it, it pops right open to the key. And then you can simply take this key right out. So that's gonna be the first step. Let's show you the next step. All right, so now we got the key here with you. So you come over to the driver's side door, you see there's a key hole right there. You simply just push that right in there, and then there we go. Now you guys can get into your vehicle. Hey guys, thanks again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful and answered a lot of you guys' questions. If it was, do me a huge favor, please. It takes a moment of your time. It helps me out, helps the channel out. Hit that like button on the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. I have more videos coming out. Then also share with someone that may be in the market, okay? So thank you so much again. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to assist you guys from that point. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.